Hi everybody, this is Jody Becker, and today I would like to show you the product rule for exponents and work through a few examples. We have seen that exponents are used to indicate repeated multiplication. For example, 2 to the fourth, where 2 is the base, and 4 is the exponent, indicates that 2 occurs as a factor 4 times. For example, 2 to the fourth equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now let's consider the multiplication of two exponential expressions, such as 2 to the fourth times 2 to the third. In this problem, we are multiplying 4 factors of 2 and 3 factors of 2. So we have a total of 7 factors of 2 that will look something like this. I'll open a parenthesis. It'll be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 times 2 times 2. In this problem, we can quickly find the exponent 7 of the product by adding 4 and 3, like this. 2 to the fourth plus 3 equals 2 to the seventh. This suggests the following rule. The product rule. So when we're multiplying exponential expressions with the same base, you add the exponents. This is the sum as the exponent of the common base. So our bases have to be common. So our base will represent with b, and our first exponent will represent with m. So b to the m times the same base to another exponent can be rewritten as b to the m plus n. So here we have the same base to different exponents, and if the base is the same, you can simply add these two exponents together. And that is the product rule. Now that we've explored what the product rule is, let's work through some examples. So we'll multiply the following expression using the product rule. 2 to the second exponent times 2 to the third equals 2 to the second plus 3. So if we add these two together, you notice they have a common base. This equals 2 to the fifth. And 2 to the fifth equals 32. So 2 to the fifth would be 2 5 times. So it would look like 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And this is equal to 32. Let's work through another example using x as the common base. So we'll go x, which is the base, to the 7th times x to the 9th. So using the product rule, we can add the exponent 7 to 9. So this looks like x to the 7th plus 9, which equals x to the 16th. So what if we have 3 exponents? Let's look at this example. So we'll use y as the common base. So y to the 3rd times y to the 2nd times y to the 5th. Because these all share a common base, we can simply add the exponents together. So this would equal y to the 3rd plus 2 plus 5. So this would equal y to the 10th. So the product rule shows that when you're multiplying exponential expressions with the same base, you simply add the exponents. You use this sum as the exponent of the common base. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching my video on the product rule for exponents.